Read the following sentence. We live in Bangladesh. Here, live, what kind of parts of speech is? Okay, today's topic is main verb. Learning outcomes. By the end of the lesson, the learners will be able to identify main verbs, describe its kinds, make meaningful sentences using main verbs. Look at the picture. The boy is lifting weight. What do you see in the picture? The farmers are working in the field. What does the piper do? The piper plays at a flute. What does the girl do? The girl dances. Look at the pictures. What are you watching? Every mother loves her child. He looks cheerful, loves. What kind of verb? It is main verb. It is used as main verb. Make the sentences with the following verb. Walk, eat, read, sleep, write, play, call. What kind of sound do you hear? Cats meow or birds twitter or the dog barks? I think the dog barks. Now, match the sound with the following pictures and make sentences with them. Choose the best answer. What are you watching? Can you listen to the wind roaring or barking or twittering? The man is walking, running or jogging. What do you see in the pictures? Cow is sleeping. The woman is crossing the canal. What is the puppy doing? The puppy is playing. An intransitive verb does not have any object. That means intransitive verb does not contain any object. It contains only subject and verb. The puppy is playing with a yo-yo. Transitive verb. Transitive verb has an object. That means with a yo-yo is an object. Look at the picture. Mrs. Shahana enjoys reading, so she likes receiving books. Mr. Kamal carries a jackfruit. Mr. Kamal likes to eat jackfruit. Look at the following pictures. What emotion goes there? Now, try to do pair work of the following by using the following picture. Discuss the pictures with your partners, then match the given verb with them. Sing, debate, gossip, fit, and with. Now open your notebook and fill in the blank of the following 8 sentences. Make 10 meaningful sentences using main verb. Thank you.